Hello, Ron.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Farhan. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, I'm good.
So you broke up then, pulling back.
Yes.
Interesting.
You know, like, it kind of basically like filled this wick over here.
Yes, it did kind of. Yeah, I respected the weekly, but yeah.
Like, what I'm still thinking is gonna do, um, like this candle here, this one, it might like pull back up and closes here.
Yeah, it's Friday and the weekly. Yes, you're right. And most of the time, the New York it flips the direction.
Exactly, yeah.
Yep, that can be the scenario.
But if we get this 4 hour to close within this range, it's gonna come down to 38,500. Gold fell a lot. Shit.
Yeah, So that is the one reason it's going down.
Let's check news over here. No major news today, so that's okay. Hello, good morning, Forex Frank. What's up? What's up?
Morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, Omar. So over here, this candle, 30 minutes candle, might respect this resistance and come down, break the previous low, and continue to fall down till 38,850. Or it could just pull back up here, closes, then it's making a support to continue moving up. This could be a fake over here. Oh wow, GJ looks nice.
Yeah. It does.
Beautiful. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna paper trade this. This is just a paper trade, guys.
But it has a support on it that just tapped into support at 15 minutes.
Yeah, I've seen that.
If it breaks these wicks to the 15 minute, it's a good entry.
Yes, sir.
It was a good move and it was breaking the previous 15.
Yeah, here, exactly.
I think the GU and everything, they're gonna fall because gold has fallen. And Ted was speaking that, yesterday there was some good news regarding the US dollars and everything.
Yeah.
So the market dropped. Now it pulled back a little bit, but let the arrangement happens, and around 9:30 you see another fall.
Yeah. Uncle Ted was on the stream today?
Yeah,
Nice.
all the way.
Nice. But what I was telling Mr. Farhan earlier, I'm like, this daily, the bearish daily, it might pull back up, right, and close either above here or above here. So if that does happen and the movement is going to be to the upside, then I would want to anticipate buys, because we've seen like GU change trend in New York. So right now what I'm looking at, I see like created support and then moving up again, created this fake out and it's making a support again to move up. So if we do get this candle to close just like this, then there's a probability for it to continue moving up 10 pips.
Yeah.
Is anyone gonna send in
DJ pulled
charts?
back.
Wait a minute.
DJ pulled back.
Aaron, yeah.
Ooh. Jeez. Yeah, there was no confirmation. Insane. Yeah, so I'm expecting the same thing is gonna happen with you.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. The pullback.
Yeah. Honestly, like if this closes there, I would want to get into buy, but it's just the time. It's not right. $18. Friday games. Yes. Tennis game.
Sorry, man. I'm just working on the side at the same time.
That's okay. Wow.
Yeah, I want it to go like this, right? Let me send you a chart.
It would be nice if it flips bullish. This flip 4 hour.
Okay.
Then, like, if we enter for a buy, then we could say we made a support.
Laura, one question, like the Zoom which you use is web or you install the app on your desktop?
Sorry, what's that?
Like when you log into the Zoom,
Yeah.
so you're using the web browser Zoom or you have an app
No, the app.
on your desktop, like app, okay.
Yeah.
That's why I never get those features to basically write something on your screen.
Oh.
I'm using the browser.
Shit.
I will change it.
Yeah, just download it.
Yeah, I will do that.
So it can make it easier for you, you know, you could draw and...
Yeah, it's easy to explain sometimes. So right now I have sent you the 1 hour chart. It's like very clear. We created a support around 1.388, right? And now we are going bullish. And the previous 1 hour is also broken to the upside. And at 1.3905 area, I see a support on the left hand side on 4 hour. Okay. So I want a candle to this current candle to close above this area. The 4 hour one here. So I want to close above this area, and if the next candles are breaking it and the first blue line which is at 1.39340 area, so that is the wick of the 4 hour.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for this wick to break. If that wick is broken, the first blue line at 1.339 area, yes. If this is broken, so I will get into buys and maybe cut my half positions to this blue, the next blue line, 3944 area,
Mm-hmm.
and then leave it till 500 area, 39,500, yeah, till here.
Yeah. I
This
see.
is what I'm thinking.
Yes.
I want the candle to break the previous 4-hour wick and then I will enter. So this is something we did it on Monday and Tuesday, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very good. And for sells, you know, looking for any
So
sells?
if a candle closes below 38,800, the support,
Yeah.
and break the lower wicks of the 4-hour, then yes.
Okay.
So you can say I can enter on 38,800 area for sells.
Shit,
38,800.
right now rejected really hard. It also respected the previous 30-minute.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
If you open my chart, I'll explain mine as well. Okay, so I don't know, but I'm looking more mainly for sells. This area has been respected in this candle, and if you see the current candle is just coming down. If this was the right time, I would have taken a sell when it broke the previous low, but we are not trading right now, so I know it's gonna come here, fill this wick, and go further down. So we can wait for a candle to close around this area and anticipate to take it further down, because it's gonna do this wick fill for sure.
Yeah.
And I think further down as well. Buys, I don't know. Buys, you see, this is a very, very dangerous area. This whole area, right? This, sorry, this area is a very dangerous area. So I don't know. I've not looked into buys right now.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes.
I mean, we can do buys if a candle closes above this area. Anticipate with the New York, New York volume to mirror these candles till here.
Yeah, or at least to the gold line.
Yeah, because you see, this has been rejected 3 times. Like, this didn't go till here, but if you see, we are seeing rejections on a 30-minute 4 times already.
Yes. Wow.
And now it's coming down, you see. So I think that's what I was saying. If you were in a different time zone, I would have taken a sell here for a big fill.
Big stop loss.
Yeah, but
Wow. A lot of volume. It might not wait.
Wanna get in?
No, no.
Just entering, Umar.
no, man.
Just want to hear a yes from you.
Not at this point, man. Wait a minute.
No FOMO. If it goes, it goes. But what would be really nice? Ah, fuck. Shit. What would be really nice is if this closes there and we get the next 30 minutes to pull up at least till here to continue moving down.
Yeah.
Hopefully stays there for 10 minutes. It's breaking its own low. So when this 4-hour closes, right? Where is it gonna pull
Yeah.
back to? It might pull back till here.
Yes, exactly.
But if it starts and it starts breaking the low and it continues moving down, taps in, then move up probably. But hopefully we would want to see a pullback till
Yeah.
here and then for it to come down. If it breaks this low, then we enter target here and then even further. What a rejection. Mr. Farhan, I hope you didn't enter.
Yeah.
That sounds like you did.
No, I'm just working.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'm thinking something else. Like there was something like if you see such big wicks and the body is small,
Mm-hmm.
then it's sort of volatility in the market or what?
Yeah, if it's big wicks like this with rejections,
Yeah.
there's a lot of volume.
Okay. So in whatever direction, sorry, can you go back? Like where were you? Like on 30 minutes, I think. 30 minutes. So in whatever direction these wicks are broken, we can enter.
Yes.
The top wicks of these 30-minute candles right now.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, or even a candle to close above here. But right now I
Okay.
want to see where the 4 hour is gonna close. So if this 4 hour closes below this range that I have over here, hold on 1 second. This line, then it's gonna there's like a 70% chance gonna continue falling. But if this pulls back up and closes above here, then it's gonna continue moving up till 39,000. Because I don't know, like the next candle, the 4 hour candle, it might also pull back not only to here, maybe to here as well, and then reject. So with volume, right? So if the next candle comes up, respects this zone, and it comes down, breaks the slow, I'll enter, just because like it respected this and it came down and broken the low. If it just starts and it comes down, breaks the low, that's a little bit scary. I would
Yeah.
want to like maybe cut my risk in half, right? Because there's a chance that it could pull back up to here, here, and even here.
So what are you saying? You want it to close below this area?
Yeah, if this 30 minutes closes here below, right, it might come reach us only this area because there's volume and drop, right? But if it starts and it just comes down breaking the low, I would want to cut my risk like in half, because there's a so now there's a chance it's gonna pull back either up to here, or up to here, then continue falling. Because I want to see that upper wick, on the 4 hour. See, like the way this also closed, It's 1 hour. Didn't kind of close below. Pulled back up.
Yeah.
So it's Friday. Anyone who's trying to make some good money today, don't do it. Just if you made some profits this week, try to risk like 25% of that.
Sure.
Like on GJ right here, it looks like the same setup we took yesterday. I mean, we didn't take yesterday, but almost. Like we got this creative support, and this one, it came up rejected and closed like with a small body. So this one could respect the previous high and pull back down. I think good sells would be once it breaks the previous low. Let's target this area here.
It has tested that support almost, just coming down.
Yeah. If it came up to at least till the body, it would have been more convincing, you know.
Yeah, but then there was a resistance right there, right?
Where on the 15?
On a 15 and on a 30. If you open a 30, I'll let you know what I'm talking about.
So entry when breaks the previous low.
Yeah, it has broken the previous low.
Yeah? Oh shit, it's falling hard. What the Too late, man. Got in late.
Are you in?
Yeah.
Pips now. It's already been 5 pips.
Man, this shit's so annoying.
Want a little pullback. Come in now. Oh shit. I went with a heavier position. Fuck.
It's just stuck there.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes and I'm gonna close like half of my position. One more minute. God damn. Yeah, I'm closing half. About to close all of it in just now.
I don't know, man. I just feel like closing everything. It doesn't look good to me.
Yeah. 18 seconds.
Bitch.
I know. Stupid. I was just about to close it.
Wow. Are you adding up a position?
Yeah, I added another position.
Just here?
When it came to the original entry. Okay. Come on, a few more. Five more pips. Let's go. Nice. A little bit more.
Man. I got half my position and I'm still with my half position.
Oh, you only with the first half.
Yeah. No. If it breaks the low, I might enter. Feel like entering again.
Just be careful. It needs to go in 40 seconds. I'm closing everything.
just need to go 40 seconds. What do you mean?
30 seconds. It's moving super fast.
It's gonna come down.
Thank you for the confirmation. It's windy.
Just waiting for it to break to add my another position.
If it breaks, I'm out. Oh man, come on. Come on, man.
Gold is coming down. It will come down.
Wow. Ridiculous.
Who's breathing so heavily?
Yeah, I don't know. It's windy.
Not me.
Oh, this 15-minute. I think it's gonna come down more with the New York Open.
Yeah. Just don't get it. Gold is going up. Why is it coming down?
Gold's going up.
Sorry, gold is going down.
Let's see, 9:30.
Who else is in the trade?
Me.
What do you think, Farhan?
It doesn't look good now.
Yeah. It's playing tennis. What is this? Is it gonna do it?
I think if it comes and do it this time, everybody's balling.
Where is Sean? You know, Sean is like, oh, it's doing it. Friday fake out coming down on 15. Yeah.
So
No.
Oh, Sean messaged.
Next 6 minutes is gonna reach its target.
I hope so. Oh man, stop jinxing it. You said that and went back up.
was about to say again, but I didn't say it because you guys think I'm jinxing it. Come on, 4 more minutes. Don't act bitchy.
Longest trade. A few more minutes. Come on, flip bearish.
Well, is Ali in the trade?
No, I got late.
So you still in the trade?
No, I'm not doing
Okay.
it.
He's
Quinn.
making fun of us.
No.
Quinn said, "Can I enter now or wait for next candle?"
I would say wait for the break of these 15-minute candles.
Yeah, like the previous one would be better. Or yeah.
Yeah.
this.
Okay. Now it's gonna
Let's
break it.
go now.
Good thing it went up.
Yes.
Come on now. Enough.
stock is kind of like falling, so the dollar is getting weaker, so the pound should be getting strong. It's doing it.
Looks like it. Yes, sir. It's doing it.
Finally.
Omar, you want to enter?
Man, I'm already at 2 positions.
Okay.
Wow. It's having some difficulty breaking this area.
Has broken it. No?
Yeah.
Okay, has broken it now. Okay.
Seven pips in. So now if you see like 5-7 pips, try to secure some positions. If it just breaks this area, man, it's gonna drown. It's just this line over here, it's a bit of an issue.
Just came on my TP, it said right there.
It's frustrating, huh?
I'll send you my picture. See.
Wow. Wow.
So frustrating, right?
Yeah.
I was out now.
You secured in profit?
And actually, I closed half when it went up
Hmm.
and never added the position. So now it went positive, so I closed it. So break even, you can say.
You managed it good. Yes, this gray line is it's a little bit of an issue. If we do break this, it's gonna fall nicely.
Yeah.
So you're asking me to enter again?
No, no. No, sir.
Ooh,
Oh.
took 1 PP.
Later, Forex Frank. See you Monday. I hear your TP, Omar.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
Oh yes.
I'm out.
Nice,
Fuck you,
nice.
Gio.
No, run, keep the runner.
Yeah. It's on break even now. When the 30 and 1 hour looks good. Quinn, when this fell down, I hope you secure some. If you enter the trade. The 30-minute, yeah, it looks clean. 1 hour even more cleaner. We should get 38,577. Sorry, what's that?
The gold is also pulling back.
Yeah, I took a gold sell in the morning by mistake, and I just closed in like 4 pips. Thank God.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Trading
No, it
without
was.
me?
No, man. If I was actually
Testing.
what do you call fluctuating between charts that time. There was a very nice move on Geo that time before you guys came, so I wanted to take it. But for some reason, my gold chart, I always have this problem, especially when I'm watching the stream with Ted and all these things. So my different charts are open. So I just took it. I realized it, and then I closed it immediately. But thank God I did not made a loss or anything. Man, gold scares me.
Yeah.
Like literally.
It's too volatile. When gold moves, you better hope you're on the right train.
No, man.
Otherwise, you won't get off.
Oh, yes, sir.
I kind of want to close the runner, like in profit. It's a small runner anyway.
Basically, I had another zone that was marked here, and it has just. So my second TP was almost there, but I closed it manually.
Good.
So I would say, just if you guys can come out, just come out.
Let me see. Yeah, stop me. It was a good trade overall.
Yeah.
Very nice.
We managed it well. I mean, if we would have had our losses in the first, like half of the trade.
Have the trade on top.
Sorry.
Like when we cut half of the position.
Yeah, if he hadn't cut that one, we would have
Yeah.
probably would have not even held it till now. We would have been out way back.
Yeah.
Okay, so you took a second position, and the first position you are still. Yeah, pretty much. So because I'm using MT5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I look at it myself, I was. Okay. Yeah.
If you guys took this trade with us, give it a like, subscribe. It would help this channel. Quinn said, USDJPY looks like it's going to drop today, but it's very slow. But I'm not going to take that trade. That's good. USDJPY, like, yeah, I don't know. I don't even look at that pair. I say stick to one pair and see when does it move fast at a certain time, and just keep coming at that
Grinding.
time. Yeah. It's going to drop today. Let me see. So looking at the daily is super bullish. Right. There is a resistance here, but this made a higher high. So if you want to take a sell, you want to wait for the low to be broken, or the previous 4 hour.
But you see, this one,
Exactly,
it will be
yeah.
a hard thing, right here.
Yeah, I was just trying to say, you would want to wait for this low to be broken, but there's this zone here it's not going to be able to let you go any further. So to take a sell, probably you want to take it just below here to target here, but then like I said, there's noise on the left. Or at least if this hourly candle comes down and closes below here, then you want to take it till 108.875. There's too many support lines for the downside as well. Yes, a lot of support lines.
Because there are a lot of supports.
Yes.
I'm up since 4:45 this morning.
You're crazy. Why are you up so early?
Yeah, because normally I start working at 7, right?
Yeah.
So by the way, no, we are on the stream, so I'm not gonna say it. Remind me when you're off the stream.
I will.
We'll be back in a second.
Yes, sir. So people on YouTube, if you guys have any questions, let me know right now before we head out. If you guys want to send the chart or something. On Friday, I want to stop trading, but it's like I'm always waiting for something to happen. See, that has to come with like discipline, you know? You have to train yourself. You're gonna say like, you know what, Fridays, I'm not even gonna trade. And you have to do that at least like a whole month where you just don't take a trade. After that, once you train yourself, you just won't do it. We just be like, this is a chill day today. Or you could take a trade when you feel comfortable about the setup. You know, you feel more confident. You could risk like 25% of what you usually risk. But it just comes with time, you know. Ooh. Look at GJ. I said it, man. I said it. I said if this breaks the low, it's gonna target these wicks.
Did you take a trade with us? Hello?
Mr. Ali?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, did you take the trade? Did you sell?
No, I didn't take it. I missed it, I told you.
Yeah.
And I wasn't like very comfortable with its movement as well.
Yeah.
You know, if you would have waited for the 9:30 break.
No, but Mr. Ali, please tell us, like, tell us exactly what you just said, you know, before the trade, because I mean it's an input, you know, like we get to see what you're seeing.
Well, you see, usually at this NY Open, the moves have become really, you know,
Volatile.
at times they take play. No, they become like less volatile. Like first, how do I explain it? All right, there's not a lot of you know. The movement is not very, you know, at times it's not like
yes, sometimes it starts, sometimes it starts and nothing happens.
Exactly, and the way it should have dropped, it didn't drop that way. And the other thing was we were already almost at the support of the daily.
Yes.
So that thing, you know, and without any, you know, volume in the market, it was difficult for it to go down.
For sure.
Yep.
For
so
sure.
Usually these moves nowadays they take place like at London close or something, you know.
Yeah.
So every time, you know, like I said last, they always change, you know, timings and, you know.
Exactly. Yeah. 100%.
Exactly. So we have to adjust to these timings and everything, you know.
Yeah.
So either it's the NY Open or the London close where you'll get that volume.
Yes.
And it, I might be wrong, but it might change its direction today.
To the upside?
For the next week. Yeah.
Yes.
I might be wrong for the next week, you know, it might change its direction. So it becomes very dicey.
For sure.
Yeah. That was my only, you know, if it was a normal day, you know, I would have gone for it.
Yes, sir. Makes sense, 100%. I mean, like, looking at this daily right here, right? If we do get this daily to close, right, for like today, then the next daily from Monday would move down, I would say, till here.
Exactly.
Because next week, when the next candles start, it might retrace down to the body.
Exactly.
Right,
exactly.
and then if it respects it, it's going to continue moving up to fill overall.
Exactly.
Yes.
So this was the only hiccup I had, you know.
Yes.
Hitch in mind. So I
really
wasn't
good.
I wasn't even convinced with the volume, you know. Before coming joining you guys, I took a sell on gold. So yeah, and immediately after that, you know, getting into another trade was a bit, you know.
Exactly. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
See, Mr. Quinn, this is a good example of a good trader. Mr. Ali.
Yeah.
It just comes with time and experience.
It comes with time.
Yes. It's so nice outside. Oh, it's like, what is the weather today? I think it's 8. Oh, it's 7. Nice
You know
and sunny.
yeah. Matt, you're still on the stream.
Yeah. We usually get off at 10.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm gonna say goodbye now, everyone.
Yeah. You know, the second time when it was dropping on the 9:30 candle, I was when Noran asked me, sorry, when Fran asked me if you want to put another position, I already had a position. I took another position.
Oh, on top of
Had
that?
I not had, sorry,
when he asked, you added another one, or you already had one?
I already had two positions. Like I had one position, then like I had one full position when we started the trade, right? So when it was going up, I closed halfway through, and cut down my managed the risk, right?
Yeah.
But when it was coming down, I think you took a position. I asked you, have you taken a position? Because I was thinking of taking a position. So the way it was moving, the thing is, I was looking at it in the 5 minutes as well, and it was basically not going up. It was trying to push down, and I was anticipating that the New York push is gonna volume is gonna push it further down. It has to, because it was, you guys have to see one thing on GU, right? If you have worked out the zones, and if your zones are right, if it never hangs in the middle. It will reach to the zone where you have marked it, right? You can see that. We have seen that over and over again, and over again, right? So it had to come back, unless and until it was doing a fake out. But fake outs does not happen like this. Like it was pushing down, it wasn't pushing up, right? So that was one of my confirmations. That's why I took my second entry somewhere in the middle, when it was coming down. So I didn't want to put my third position on the break of it. But we have seen it with GU that if it goes in the next zone, it will go to the resistance and what do you call or a resistance, support or resistance, to try it, right? And it did try it here. We had our zones marked at 38,700, right? And I had one zone marked at like little down, and it went till there too. But my initial idea was still 700. That was like 7-8 pips from where our entries were. So that was like, if it was pushing up in the beginning, I said that it doesn't look good when we cut our half our positions, right? But it just flipped over and it was coming down. So that was like a sort of a confirmation that it's not. If it had to do it, it would have gone near it or broken the high of the previous candle, right?
For sure. Yeah. Also, when it came down the second time, like I just felt more confident to enter again, like where the entry was, and I did see like about like six pips, but then it pulled back. Like I was gonna close there, but then pulled back more and then came down. It was too fast.
Too fast, yeah.
But we managed it good.
Yeah. To be honest, second time I was so sure that if I didn't had, I went a little higher than half my position, but I was really sure. I want to go even higher than this. Probably your normal lot size.
Yeah. When it comes back to the entry, right after stopping us out, it's guaranteed.
Yeah.
Nah, guys, nothing's guaranteed. People on stream.
Yeah.
Umar, did you see the rejection on 1 hour?
Oh yes, because it has tapped that zone that we were anticipating.
This
right?
is the thing,
Yeah.
It might change directions now,
Yes, sir. Yeah, because the 4 hour, we could say like it taps into this base over here, and probably retrace and close above, and then make a support basically.
Yeah, well, it needs to respect this area, I think, a little bit. This one to this one. That's why it's like getting.
Yeah.
Just showing little reluctancy. And even if you open the 30-minute, so you see this area, it created a support around this area. I think it's the same as the 4 hour. It made it a support here too. I mean, like you see, it made a support here and went all the way, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So if you open 4 hour, yeah, so it's exactly the same area, right?
Yeah.
Same line. So I think it's just gonna respect that. If this 30-minute candle closes above that, on a 30-minute, if you see 30-minute, if it closes above here, it will test these wicks.
Yeah. But I say if you're gonna take a buy, wait for a candle to close above here.
True.
And then fill these wicks.
We are getting good at it, man.
Oh yeah. It's like going to the gym. You know, you struggle at first, but then it comes easy. Any trades are you waiting for? No, we're not waiting for any trades. We only take one trade a day, and that's it. We're gonna come back tomorrow. So people on YouTube, if you took this trade, give it a like and subscribe. We'll see you guys Monday.